Hi. Oh.
Hello.
Welcome to my crib for tomorrow's event. As you can see, a lot of people are gathered around here. It's me and you. It's you and me. Welcome to my bar. I have here water, compliments from the hotel, and ito lang. And ano ba? Couch. You first bedroom, which my brother and sister will stay along with their kids. Yeah. And ito yung little bridesmaid gown. And then, let me show it to my common bathroom. See? Shower. Yeah. Next, let me show you my master's bedroom. Tan! Master's bedroom! Yan. Dito si Kuya Salvi ko, dito ako. Yan. Laking lababo. And this is my master's bedroom.
What it means to be a man. In Glee Club,
See my
whenever two of us got together,
pala
we got a
pwede.
nickname. Rachel and I are Finchel,
Kaya tayo soup.
Rachel and Huckleberry, and today a new union is
Best man.
Fert.
And tapos sasabihin ng groom.
We're brothers from another mother.
Wow!
Frankly, no one else has
Ganda
shown
ko,
me as
girl.
much as you. What it means to be a man.
Ay, bukas na
Over
lang.
the past few weeks,
Sikat na yung iba.
since that's
Okay.